Okay, are we rolling? Rolling? We're rolling! I'm on Twitch. Awesome. Let me... Alright, so this is me installing Linux from scratch on KVM. Linux from scratch, if you're not aware, is this book. You read the book, follow the instructions, and you build a Linux system. I'm just gonna keep going for a second. I have to set up my stream here. The answer is no. The answer to the question. Okay, I've told enough people. Correcting. That works. Okay. Excellent. Okay, now I can answer this question. We will use. Let's see. What display manager do I want? There's two. I guess I'll use SDDM because I think that's the one that comes with KDE. Change it later if I need to. Oh, yeah, we're still very fun. Hello, I have 2 viewers. Wow. Why can't I? This creator dashboard is confusing. So just as like a heads up, this is probably going to be a slightly boring stream because it's a whole lot of waiting. Right now, I'm installing KDE because XFCE, which is the desktop environment I'm using right now, doesn't support resizing a VM. It's I installed Spice. I forget what it's called. The Spice VD agent already, which is how KVM can tell the child VM that you've resized the window. It works in GNOME. I hope it works in KDE. Otherwise, it's gonna waste even more time. It better work in KDE. All right, tell you what. You watch this. I'm gonna get a refill. Is it done yet? No. This is the fast part. Maybe I should start reading the book while this is going. That I probably need. Nope. Okay. Maybe precise. Yeah, that's probably useful. Okay. No system. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna have to install like the called build essentials package. KDE. %. Awesome. I wonder, is KDE called KDE or did they actually change the name to Plasma? Because Debian calls it KDE Plasma Desktop, so KDE stands for desktop environment. So I don't know. I will. Building kernel init RD. Oh, it finished. Okay. Reboot. Realize it was working. Test that. Sure, it goes to Plasma. Oh yeah, can I name this stream? Realize I don't think I named stream. I'm not a streamer. Don't know what I'm doing. Don't know. How do I do anything, Twitch? Why is this so hard? Edit stream info. Wow. Okay. There. Maybe that will help. All right. I have Plasma. Let's see. Does resizing work? Hey, that's super useful. Awesome. Let's do that. Fantastic. Why? Okay. New terminal. Thank you. And what else would be useful? I think tmux would be useful. Okay. I think my tmux Nope, it's not. Okay. Okay. Neat. Next. System requirements. Let's just apt install build essential. I'm pretty confident I'm gonna need that. I need Linux kernel 3.2. Oh, fun. That means I'm gonna have to downgrade the Debian kernel, I think, because it's 5.10. I'm gonna cross that bridge when I come to it and try to avoid piling a super old kernel at this point. When was this updated? Uh, 2022. Okay, well, I've got bash. I've got bin utils 235. It's not greater than 2.39, so that's good. Bison do I have? 3.7. Sure. Kernel over download really. Probably not. Core util. I've got 832. That's new. Seven 52. Four 8. Five. D 10 to 1. Greater than 12 or not recommended. Okay, that's fine. Grep 3.6. Zip. I suppose I might not actually have these. Okay, fine. Apt install. I have core utils. I'm pretty sure I have diff util. Low. I know for sure core utils is a mandatory package. So diff utils required. Find utils. Crap. I know I don't have I3. So how? Okay. I think it's apt manual installed. Well, it will at least have that if it's a manually installed package. So if it isn't required, Let's just try it for. Okay. What? That's funny. Zip. Yep. Okay, so I can do search. Next. I think it's Debian. Image. Kernel. Wow. Oh, Linux. Yeah, Linux. Of course. Yeah. So I don't think I can go below 5 without reinstalling my host OS, which I'm not going to do. M4 make patch Perl Python 3 Z R text info and XZ sudo XZ utils. Hey, there was some stuff in that list that I don't have. Like text info at M4. And that's mostly it. Okay. There's a script. Let's see if paste works. It does. That's good. Okay. Gawk command not found. Great. What? Goodness H. Goodness H does not point to bash. I can fix that. This is dangerous, by the way. Yeah, I just did that the wrong way around. Good thing that didn't overwrite the bash binary. That would be potentially catastrophic. Okay. Bison. Okay, I've got Bison. Really? Figures. Maybe if I could spell right. Wow. Okay, now I've got version check. Got bash. Okay. No errors. Nine. Oh. Instructions assume that the system will not be shut down during the process. Certain procedures have to be reaccompanied. Oh, yeah. Okay, so once you're in like a chroot environment, you'd have to set up your mounts and stuff. Got it. That's fine. Yep. Okay. Procedures done as the root user after section 2.40. Okay. Okay. This makes sense. Create new partition. So very first thing, I'm just gonna run all this as root because it's very. I have a secondary disk. I installed Debian on VDB. I have VDA. I have no idea how much space this is going to take up, so I gave Debian 250 gigs and LFS 500 gigs. I don't think it's going to be that big, but I don't feel like expanding disk image sizes later. So I need to fdisk. Yay, I already read the manual, or read ahead in the manual to, I think it's chapter 10. This is going to be a BIOS install, not a UEFI install. I could do a UEFI. My desktop that I'm running this on is UEFI with secure boot with keys that I generated myself. I know how to do that, so I'm just gonna not bother with UEFI. This is for my own personal education. Doing any of this. Let's see. We're gonna make the boot partition a gig. I can sort of skim the manual for parts of this, like this part. I'm going to make a. I'll make an extended partition and a logical. Let's give this. Let's give it 2. I've got tons of actual RAM. Oh, whoops. Linux swap, where are you? What is your type? I can't see. There it is, 82. And yep. Cool. BEA1. Virtual disk. BDA 6, 5, 6. I think 6, yeah. File systems. Swap. BDA 5. There we go. Sweet. I have disk partitions. Oh, 20 gigabytes is good. Well, you've got 500-ish, so excellent. Twice the amount of RAM? Nah, I'm not doing that. Boot partition. Oh, I need to make that active. I don't. Flag. Yeah. Yeah, I could separate the partitions, but that's extra work. Doing ext4. I did ext3 for the boot partition. Okay, that's all done. I'm gonna just put that in my profile. For LFS equals mount LFS. I also have to create. And I have to source profile. Now if I LFS, hey, I've got that. And it's in my profile, so like even if I reboot, that'll just be mount 6 Yep. But I know I need to create mount. Probably. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna bother with swap on. I've already got swap. Yeah, my Debian install is using swap. Preemptive. Okay. Next. Just resources. Really? I guess. Fine. Edible and sticky. Oh. Learning stuff. So download this package thing, or this list of packages. I just downloaded with what wget, and then it says run this. This basically looks like, yeah, it just gives a list of all of the packages. That's cool. And then we wait. Okay, and that's done. That's not too bad. I have some. Two files could not be read. zlib. Okay. zlib -15. Why is that? That doesn't make any sense. Let's just do should only show me errors. Okay. We need zlib 1212, which should have gotten here. Not found. Okay, this is probably one of those packages that Yeah, there was a CVE. So the original of it is gone. Download the newer version instead. And the other one was what? Expat. That one's from SourceForge, which is always a pain to download from. Version I'm looking for is 248. Obviously is a problem, I bet. Or not. Okay. Oh, rename. Okay, fine. We'll use 2.5. It's um okie dokie. Next. This is what I just did. Five 19.2. Let's just make sure that that's the. Oh, good. I'm already getting spam. Block. Do I really want to do 613? I know it's working. I'm running 613. Am I running 613? I'm running 612 on my desktop. Yeah, 613 is probably fine. Let's do that. Link. Get rid of Linux 5. I don't accidentally use it, and download that. Okay. Vim. I like Vim. That's fun. 90. You're old. Vim. Newest one. Next. Patches. Okay. So I did glib and expat. They're not on this list. Here, they're already in here. Final preparations. We're already in chapter 4, and it's only been like 40 minutes. I haven't actually started building anything yet. Yes. In the interest of time, like already like quarter after 7 here. Do that. So this is making directory. These curly brackets are make a list of things. For I in bin lib and sbin. So variable I. Gonna make user bin, lib, and sbin, and libbin. Oh, and lib60. Yep. Chapter 6 will be compiled to cross compiler. Okay. Cross and add LFS. What does cat K do? Skeleton directory. M creates a home directory. You have a super secure password. LFS. Please don't hack. Good luck. Yeah. Why wouldn't I just whatever? I guess that's an option. It's kind of oh, I guess it's so it doesn't overwrite the sources directory. I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, I guess okay. I could otherwise I could have just done chown with capital R recursively changes the ownership, but I guess it didn't want me to do that. That makes. Oh, I should there we go. Mm-hmm. Fix that. Yep. Home is home. Yeah. Oh, I guess they don't want that. That they do it in here. Okay, whatever. That's not. There we go. Okay. I was right. Doing it a different way. I'm skipping ahead and I shouldn't do that, I guess. Well, it's pop. Oh, that's a neat one. Basic 64 LFS. Neat. Hmm. Oops. Okay. Oh yeah, it was doing that. I don't know why that would make a huge difference, but it had the host name. Now it doesn't. Wow. I could have just sourced it. I just. Oh yeah. Really. How many CPUs? I have 24 CPUs. So we're gonna make flags equals J. Yeah, I'm gonna do J24. I've actually only got 12 cores, but they hyperthread, so it's 24. Hmm. It's chapter 3. Oh. No. Section 3. Building the LFS cross toolchain and temporary tools. Very, yep. Important. Next section gets following. Very important. I'm actually not sarcastic. Yeah. Build is the machine where we build the program. Host machine programs will run. Target machine that the compiler produces code for may be different from both the build and the host. Yeah. Interesting. So I could build a cross compiler on x86 where the host is like ARM and the target is MIPS. I don't know why I would do that, but that's what sounds like I could do. Stage one. Fast machine key compiler code for another slow machine. Build the compiler for C. I get it. Stage one. Uh-huh. Okay. Name of the platform's dynamic linker. Not to be confused with the standard linker. No, no, come back. That away. Oh, come on. Do that. Power. You're a VM. Don't don't do this stuff. Yes. Fix. So fake across compilation. Please. Oh. We need to build it as a cross compiler so that We don't link to libraries on the build machine. That makes sense. I was wondering why we had to cross compile because it's from the same machine to the same machine. Got it. Interesting. Problem. This is a really good explanation of cross compiling and building a cross compilation tool chain, which I've done, but I never knew why. I've only done it using tools. I've never done it by hand like this. I've only done it using CrossDev and Gentoo. My main operating system I use every day is Gentoo. And CrossDev, Gentoo and CrossDev make all of this super easy. CC1 is unable to build a fully functional lib standard C++. This is the only compiler available for building C and C++ libraries during stage 2. Compiler built during stage 2, CCLFS, would be able to build those libraries, but the build system of GCC does not know it is usable on PC, and using it on PC would be at risk of linking the PC library since CLFS is a native compiler. We have to build the lib standard at C++ later in a chroot. Okay. I think I get it. Other details. Really? An incorrectly configured GCC or glibc can result in a subtly broken toolchain where the impact of such breakage might not show up until near the end of the build of an entire distribution. Test suite failure will usually highlight this error before too much additional work is performed. Okay, so it is actually legitimately important to run the test suite for GCC and glibc. Otherwise, I will have an absolute conniption at the end of this. It fails. Great. Okay, that makes Oh, what? Yeah. Okay. Still got that. Back over there. Uh, yep. Yep. Bison, sure. Uh, sure, I am the elephant. Attracting, okay. Hmm. Okay. Delete the source directory unless instructed otherwise. Filing across toolchain, chapter 5. We're gonna do stuff, I hope. Yeah, I did actually read that. Important. Okay. So the very first step. Okay, I get it. So we have to go to sources, bin utils, bin utils. Figure prefix. LFS tools. Yep. With this root LFS. Target. Target. Table NLS. Prof. G. O. Table. Error. Ones I don't understand are disable NLS. Oh, okay. Tables internationalization. And I think gprof, that sounds like a system profiling. And ignore errors in the host. Okay. Or ignore warnings in the host compiler. Errors are errors and will fail. That's fine. Okay. Checking for any of the compilers. None. Okay. Make. Bin utils I don't think is too massive. Yeah, it only took an hour to start compiling the first package. That's not too bad. It's actually more like 2. I started building this VM like an hour before I started streaming. Okay, I was right. I did make install. One standard build unit. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's actually redo this then. The only command I really care about is this crazy long. Okay, time. That. Make install. What did I do wrong? I've done something wrong. Oh, it needs a semicolon. Okay. One standard build unit in real time is 39. Let me just do this. Whoops. That. 39.205 seconds, 2 minutes 49 seconds, user time, and 38 seconds of system time. Excellent. Done. It said to remove the source directory when you're done. So I'm doing that. GCC. Oh, it has prerequisites. Also, just because, let's look ahead into bin and lib maybe. User bin. Nope. This isn't promising. Oh, it's in tools. Right. Okay. Excellent. Oh. So I need to be in the directory. This is a 12 standard build units. So 20, let's call it 280. 180 times 12. That's going to take that many seconds. 36 minutes? This one's going to take a while. Okay. R MPFR. Oh, I need uh-huh. MP. PC. On x86-64 hosts, set the default directory name for 64-bit libraries to lib. Sure. I'm going to ignore the thing that said to not copy and paste because that's just going to be a pain to type. I will type these ones though. Target equals LFS. Target prefix equals not on Windows, Mike. With glibc version equals, this is going to be a problem. 2.36. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, good. 2.36. Out headers. Stable NLS. Stable shared. No shared libraries. Stable multi-lib. Float. Threads. Comic. Gomp. Disable lib. Quad math. E. Lib. Standards CXX. And enable languages C and C++. Here we go. Files done. Okay. Important tables, decimal floating point extension threading. They'll fail to compile. Yep. Make. Yep, it's building pretty quick. I'm displaying that. I could take a nap right now. It's gonna take like 30. compilation. Ooh, that was fast. That wasn't a half hour. All right. Should I run the test suite? I should. I should have run it on glibs or on binutil. Nah. Oh. No, I don't think it'll work anyway. Run it on like oh. For those who just joined, building the stage 1 cross compiler for Linux from scratch. All right. Cool. What's build GCC has installed a couple. Normally, limit set H would this case that file doesn't exist. Right. Version. Uh okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That yeah. Mid H, mid X.H. Do that. And then I think it would be in user lib. Nope, just lib. Oh no, tools include no lib exec. Yeah. Um Install tools. Include. What is this file name? Oh. Excellent. Okay. Next. Wait, what did it say at the end here? Okay. Next. Goodbye, GCC directory. 0.1 SPU. This should be quick. Direct Linux kernel. This is instructions for 5.19.2, but they're all pretty much the same. Make Mr. Proper. I don't know if that's actually what it should be pronounced as, but make headers. Find user. Like F. Not name. star.h. Delete. Oh, okay. So it's going to delete everything, all the object files, basically. CPU, cursive, verbose, include, LFS user. Neat. Yeah, no kidding. Definitely 0.1 SBU. That. Next, glibc 2.36. 2.36 targs. Okay. You create a symbolic link. Oh, okay. This is for the standard loader. Sure. Patch. Some use RDP. We're gonna make this thing FHS compliant. Cool. Build cd build. Echo. Ooh. The LD config and SLN utilities are installed into user sbin. Root sbin equals user sbin. Big part. Figure. Hold up. You're telling me to use prefix user. Are you totally sure about that? Okay. I trust it. Host equals office. Build equals this crazy script. Big dot guess. Hmm. 613, huh? Oh, okay. So 3.2 is fine. That is just a compatibility flag. Actual. libc cv slib equals user lib. Here's the libraries installed in user. The default. Okay. Stage warning might appear. Yep. May fail when running parallel make. That wouldn't surprise me, especially on this machine, but I don't care. If it fails, I'll just, as they say. This will at least hopefully get the majority of these packages built, or sorry, the majority of this package built. All the cores. I am going to back. And I'm back. We're doing excellent. It actually. Either make again just to make sure it actually worked. Sometimes you can't see the errors. Oh, I'll echo $? Duh. Exit code 0. Success. Warning, if LFS is not properly set, and despite the recommendations you're building as root, the next command will install the newly built glibc on your host system, which will most likely render it unusable. So double check that you're not being an idiot. Yep. That would be really funny. All right. Make dest equals LFS install. I didn't know this. I didn't know that you could use make dest dir on most packages. I thought you had to use prefix. That's useful knowledge. I thought you had to use prefix in the /config. So that's why the /config here does use a prefix user, because in the installed environment, that will be the correct location. Still confusing though. Okay, what do we need to do? Fix hard-coded path to the executable loader in LDD. What does this do? Okay. I'm actually just gonna open the script and look at it. rtld list is going to user lib. Okay. We're replacing. What does s at? Okay, remember what this looks like. Run this command now and see what it looks like after I run the command. It got rid of /user. Oh, huh. Okay. Echo int main. Literally the simplest C program you can make. That will actually compile. Won't do anything, but it'll compile. And read elf. That looks right. Good. Sanity check done. Now that the cross tool chain is complete, finalize the installation of limits.h header. Okay. Oh, yeah, I saw this script. Okay. There we go. Doesn't say to keep it, so get rid of that. Curious. That's not that big. The best lib standard C++. How big is our 2 gigs? Okay. How big is this? Oh, that's not that bad. We need lib standard C++. Why do I not have the sources for this? Oh, crap. Oh, no, I'm good. Oh, that's probably why we have to delete these. So that it's not contaminated, basically. Read the notes. Read the notes. Disable lib standard cxs pch. Disables installation of pre-computed include files which are not needed at this stage. Okay. With gxx include dir equals /tools /lfs target /include C++ 12.2.0. Specifies the installation directory for include files. Because lib standard C++ library for LFS, the directory should match the location where the C++ compiler search for the standard C++ include files. In a normal build, this information is automatically passed to lib standard C++ configure options from the top level directory. In our case, this information must be explicitly given. C++ compiler will prepend the sysroot path LFS specified building GCC fast one. Oh, will it? Two file search. It will actually search in LFS tools. Blah blah blah. Combination of the dester variable. Okay. Okay, we're good. Yep, done. Figure. Edit configure. Yep. Okay. Make. What's the 0.4? That's not bad. Very long. Yeah, that didn't take long at all. Make dester is LFS install. This probably also clobber your system if you were running as a messed stuff up. Remove the libtool archive files. They are harmful. Cross compile. Sure. Cross compiling temporary tools. Yay! We've built our stage 1 cross compiler. Awesome. Now we have to get. I'm guessing this is gonna be like a chroot shell in here. Nope. Yeah, we do. We have a shell. Okay, so this is probably going to build our chroot environment to get a stage 2 compiler built. We can build the rest of the system. All right. Stage 1. Awesome. Basic tasks still rely on the host's tools. Yep. Abilities will be possible in the next chapter entering chroot. Hi, correct. Build the chapter in the present chapter need to be. Yep. Can't be independent of the host system yet, but we're getting close. Uh-huh. Once again, remember, improper setting of the LFS environment variable as well as building with root may render your computer unusable. This whole chapter must be done as user LFS. Yes, okay. M4, macro processor. Let's get out of here, get rid of GCC, and M4. This one does not say to build in dedicated build directory, so I'm not going to. /configure. Again, it's saying to use /user. Enter. Host target build equals this build aux config.guess. Okay. Make take long. Done. Ha! Make dester equals LFS install. That's it. M4 is installed. Uh-oh. No, there we go. Live in curses. N curses. ensure that doc found first. Oh, interesting. Okay. So this sed script removes mock MAWK from the configure script to force it to use Gawk. Or at least to make it find Gawk first. Okay. Then do this. Make the tick program. Push debuild. /configure. If I run that, that's going to build it without using the cross compiler. I guess it's necessary for it to use the host tools. Huh. I have to wait. And we're not installing, but we're going to make C include. Uh-oh. No, that looks okay. Make C progs tick. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And then pop D. Okay. Same deal here. LFS target. Build equals big dot guess. Bander equals user share man with man page format normal with shared. Okay. Without normal with CXX shared without debug without ADA disable stripping enable WIDEC WIDEC wide character library. Okay, so that does it prevents it from using compressed man pages. Okay. Build and install shared C libraries. Prevent it from building static libraries. Prevent it from installing debug libraries. Build and install shared C++ bindings. And prevent it from building and installing static C++ bindings. Sure doesn't build support for ADA. It won't be available in the chroot environment. That's fine. Disable stripping. Prevents the building system from stripping the programs. Use a script program from tools. Oh, okay. Has wide character libraries to be built instead of normal ones. Wide character libraries are usable in both multi-byte and traditional 8-bit locales, while normal libraries work properly only in 8-bit locales. Wide character and normal libraries are source compatible, but not binary compatible. That shouldn't matter. We're compiling everything, but and English is not a wide character locale, but I want to have the capability. So yeah, we'll do that. Who knows? It might actually be important for something later too. That's fun. Okay. Now we need to make, and this probably take a minute. 0.7. That's not fair. Exit code is 0. Make dest LFS. Pick path equals PWD. Build progs tick install. I really want to know why. Oh, it's for the terminal database, so it can be created without errors. I see. That seems like a dangerous command. Does this file exist? Nope. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's what. Who's design? The library is named by a few pack. That's a linker script. I didn't know you could do that. Huh. Dash. We're getting close. Close to have an environment I can go into and actually do something with. Don't need that. Bash. Lock. Memory allocator. Bash has its own memory allocator function? Why? Yeah, use glibc. That. Why? Yeah, okay. Well, it detected that it's being cross-compiled. That's cool. Mm-hmm. Stuff is in here now. Exciting. Yep, okay, that makes a symbolic link. Next. That one. Am I not patching this yet? I guess not. Enable install program equals host name. Hmm. enable no install program kill and uptime. Okay. Make move programs to final expected locations. Sure. Oh, is there there's already, oh cool, there's already man page directories. We already have man pages. That's neat. Man 8 chroot.8. So we're moving chroot from chroot's man page from man 1 to man 8 because somebody thought, why would you hard code whatever? Maybe they shouldn't be hard coded. Okay. That's it for core utils. If utils. A whole lot of /configure make install. I'm real tempted to alias that make dester lfs install to something else. Okay, so what's going on here? File command on the build host needs to be the same version as the one we are building in order to create the signature file. Huh. Okay. Figure table zlib table lib seccomp table xzlib disable zlib. Yep. Big strip Make file compile. Ooh. Present working directory. Oh, okay. Okay. Build source file. Okay, so this must be used. Huh. Find utils. Local state dir is var lib locate host lfs target build big.cat. Okay. Getting rid of extras. Two-hour mark. Going off the screen now. Getting stuff. There. Rep. One of the most useful programs in all of Linux, in my opinion. Did I ever switch my camera back on? Yeah, I did. Okay. Make. Done yet? Okay. I'm going to pipeline this. I'm going to start doing this more. Yep, that worked. Yep. Make. Okay. Yeah, I'm untarring tar with tar. Tape archive. Tar stand. Yes, you can use it directly with a tape drive if you have one. We have tick, tack, Toe. Three different programs. I don't know what those are. I don't know where they came from. They came from somewhere. XZ. No, I wasn't gonna delete XZ. I was gonna delete the tar source directory, but I already did. Okay. Yep, that's fine. And then we're whoa, what am I doing? Make tester equals fs install. Okay, bin utils. Pass 2. I believe you. /configure prefix. I feel like we disabled this a different way last time. Whatever. Enable 64-bit BFD. That's a new. Want libbfd. Let's see. Okay. Make tester equals fs install. I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to end the stream when I'm able to chroot into the environment, and we'll pick it up tomorrow. because I've now been working on this for almost 3.5 hours. And we're still not in a CH root. Some people can stream for 10 hours. I'm not one of them. Lib. I'm going to copy and paste that because that's going to take too long to remove libtool archive files because they're harmful for cross-contamination, cross-compilation, cross-compilation, and remove unnecessary static libraries. Okay. GCC pass 2. I have to do this again. I'm going to do that the fast way. And I got to do this. And what are we doing here? Override the building rule of libgcc and lib standard C++ headers to allow building these libraries with POSIX thread support. I mean, why isn't that the default? Isn't weird? Ooh, that's a lot of configure flags. Host is the LFS target and target is the LFS target. Okay, so this will be the version of GCC that we use when we're inside the chroot environment. That makes sense. Okay. LD flags for target. Oh man, this is a cursed incantation. Present working directory, LFS target, libgcc. Cool. I have a feeling I have to not delete this directory later. Prefix is /user with build sysroot enable init ini array disable NLS disable multilib disable float disable libatomic disable lib gomp disable quad math disable lib SSP disable libvtv enable languages C and C++. Okay, so with build sysroot LFS, normally using host ensures cross compilers using for building GCC, and the compiler knows it has to look for headers and libraries in LFS. But the build system of GCC uses other tools not aware of this location. This switch is needed to have them find the files needed in LFS, find the needed files in LFS, and not on the host. Target, LFS target, we're cross compiling GCC. Possible to build target libraries, libgcc and lib standard C++ with the compiled GCC binaries, because these binaries won't run on the host distro. GCC building system will attempt to use C and C++ compilers on the host distro as a workaround by default. It's not supposed to build the GCC target libraries with a different version of GCC. Using host compilers may cause building failure. This parameter ensures build the libraries with GCC pass 1 and prevents the issue. Aw. LD flags for target. Allow libstandard C++ to use the shared libgcc being built in this pass instead of the static version built in GCC pass 1. This is needed for supporting C++ exception handling. Okay. Enable init fini array. This option is automatically enabled when building a native compiler with a native compiler. Okay, on x86. Here we build with a cross compiler, so we need to explicitly set it. Okay. So it doesn't say. I guess I don't need to preserve this source directory later. I thought I did because of that LD flags for target configuration option. All right, so then this is just going to be another make, and you know what? I'll do the make separately just because, who knows, maybe we'll have some interesting output. Nope, that was really fast. Yeah. Okay. Make and make tester LFS install. Go have a cup of coffee. And I need one. Even though I don't like coffee. The next chapter is entering the CH root. Are we there yet? Oh, we're getting close. Maybe. Stage chapter. There yet? There yet? No. Are we 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 there yet? No. I'll turn this computer around. Funny is, he has standard build units. GCC doesn't even take that long to build, like compared to other packages like Firefox or Chrome. Chrome takes a not insignificant amount of time to build, even on my desktop. Um, as I actually use Firefox mostly, but I have both, and Gentoo, I don't install the binary packages because that's cheating. Um, yeah, Chrome takes forever to build. It takes hours. You know, even on my desktop, where the build temporary files are on a RAM disk, uh, and I've got 24 cores. Like, sorry, 12 cores. Virtually 24. And if you've lost track, we have we have now used GCC to build GCC to build GCC, and it's done. All right, make install or make just yes and create a utility symbol. Oh yeah, that's true. Lots of programs use. Okay. We're in chapter 7. We've got a tool chain. Okay, introduction. Shows how to build the last missing bits. By the build machine, we have various packages. Now that all circular dependencies have been resolved, chroot environment, completely isolated from the host operating system, except for the running kernel, can be used to build. For proper operation of the isolated environment, some communication with the running kernel must be established. This is done through the so-called virtual kernel file system. It must be mounted when entering the root environment. It's a lot like Gentoo. Any chroot environment that I've ever used. May want to check mounted by issuing find mount. Find mint. Why have I never today I learned I didn't know about this command and I love it. I hate so normally I just use the mount command, which is borderline unreadable. Wow. See, this is why we do this. This is why we this is why we read the Linux from Scratch book and do Linux from Scratch. To learn stupid things that I should have known years ago. Okay. Sorry, where was I? Until section 7.4, entering chroot, commands must be run as root. Okay, so I have to be root. I have to have the LFS variable set. That's fine. I put it in the system profile, like it. No, I put it in root's profile. After entering chroot, all commands are run as root. Fortunately, without access to the OS, yeah, be careful anyway, as it's easy to destroy the whole LFS system with badly formed commands, which would be very annoying. Yes. Okay, change ownership. I'm going to have to be root. Yep, okay. I'm no longer the LFS user. CD into the LFS folder. And yeah, see, this is capital R. So chroot capital R is recursive, sorry, chown, change ownership, recursive, user root, group root, LFS root directory, and then user lib var etc bin sbin and tools. Done. Wow, that was fast. You know what we haven't done? We haven't looked at how big this is. 3.3 gigs. That's pretty tiny. Name ISM. I'm typing this one out. We've got time to celebrate. I could have skipped that. I know I am 64-bit. Whatever. Root. LFS lib 64. 2 semicolons. Oh, right. It's a switch case. I've never done a switch case in Bash. That's cool. Okay, preparing kernel virtual file system. Yep. Maker PV. I don't think it matters the order, but dev proc this run and mount. Yep. -v bind dev lfs dev. Good. Mount -v bind dev pts lfs dev pts proc. So this is the mount type proc. The device, the special magic thing is proc. Kernel file system is proc. LFS proc. Yep. mount vt sysfs, again, kernel sysfs lfs sys mount vt tempfs kernel tempfs run. And then yeah, whatever. I'll just run this thing. I don't know if public link, but entering chroot. We're there. Chroot. LFS. Oh, that is a thing. Okay. LFS. User bin env tac I. Home is /root. Term is term. What is my term? Green 256 color. Hopefully that works. Yes, one is okay. So this is useful. LFS chroot. So what that does is that sets your prompt to tell you that should technically be a pound. I'm root, but whatever. It tells you that you are inside the chroot, so the commands you're running aren't going to clobber your system. Hopefully. Path is bin, sbin, and bin bash login. I have no name. There's no password file. Okay. We're in the chroot environment. Cool. Is there anything I can do in here that's like interesting? Who? Post name. Ha. Wait, why is this? I have no name. Oh, it tells me because Etsy password hasn't been created yet. There you go. So I'm gonna wrap this up for tonight because I'm tired. And I've been streaming for 2.5 hours. I've been doing this for 3.5 hours. So yeah, I'm going to try to start streaming again tomorrow and we can continue, but we are in a Linux from scratch environment. Only component that we're still using is the host system kernel. Got bash. I've got a compiler. I've got a full tool chain. We can start building stuff. I'm guessing we're gonna be working our way. Well, I know we're gonna be working our way to the kernel and bootloader, and yeah, that's actually this is very fun. I installed Gentoo originally. The first time I installed Gentoo, I had a similar experience of like, this is. I felt like I was actually doing something. Uh, kids these days and their graphical operating system installers. No, honestly though, for real, building a Linux operating system from scratch using this Linux from scratch book. I've never done it before. It's not that difficult. Uh, it's a very, very good way to learn. I think it's a good way to learn how the operating system is put together, what the components are, how they fit together, and also some just tricks, like some command line tricks along the way. Um, yeah. All right. I'm not gonna blather on for too long. See ya.